In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for portfolio management. Think of a portfolio as your command center for tracking multiple projects in one place. It helps you see progress, spot risks early, and keep everyone aligned without digging into each project one by one. Start by logging into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. The desktop interface gives you the full experience and makes it easier to navigate. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Portfolios. This is where all of your high-level tracking lives. Next, click New Portfolio. You'll be prompted to enter a portfolio name, and this part is required. Choose something clear and recognizable, like the department, program, or time frame you're managing. Right below that, choose your privacy settings. Decide whether this portfolio should be open to your organization or limited to specific people. If you're monitoring sensitive initiatives, a more restricted privacy setting can help maintain clarity and control. You'll also choose a default view. List gives you a clean, spreadsheet-like overview that's great for quick scanning. Timeline shows project schedules and dependencies across time, which is ideal for planning and coordination. Workload helps you understand team capacity and balance responsibilities across projects. Pick the one that best matches how you want to monitor progress day to day. You can switch later if needed. When you're ready, click Continue. Now it's time to populate the portfolio. Click Add Work to include projects you want to track. Search or browse for the projects. Select the ones that belong in this portfolio and click Add. You can add as many as you need, and it's fine to start small and expand over time. With your projects in place, use the Status drop-down to update portfolio status for each project. Choose the status that reflects how things are going overall, such as on track, at risk, or off track. This creates a consistent snapshot for stakeholders and makes your dashboard meaningful at a glance. For a deeper look, click on any project in the portfolio to see detailed progress. This gives you context behind the status, recent updates, key milestones, and what might be blocking progress, so you can follow up with the right teams efficiently. Finally, head to the Charts tab to view a visual summary of project status and health. This is where trends pop out, how many projects are on track, where attention is needed, and how things are moving over time. It's perfect for updates and planning conversations. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.